This tow hook license plate bracket allows you to relocate your license plate using the tow hook hole on your front and rear bumper. The plate bracket surface is powder-coated anodized finish and made by aluminum, which will give your car a stylish look. The installation is easy. Simply remove the tow hook hole cover plug. Insert the mounting bolt and turn it clockwise. And use a wrench to secure it. Place the plate onto the bolt. You have 8 positions to choose. Insert the screw and nuts as shown. And use the hex key to tighten the screws. Use the screws and nuts to secure your license plate. Use a wrench to hold the nuts and use the hex key to tighten the screws. Make sure the plate stays in place.